Manually drawing beam sections and recalculating reinforcement schedules in AutoCAD is repetitive, time-consuming, and prone to human error. Here is how you can automate the entire workflow in seconds. Featuring an intuitive interface, you can configure up to 6 cross-section geometries, including rectangular, T-beams, L-beams, inverted sections, and Z-profiles. As you adjust dimensions and slab thicknesses, the live 2D preview updates immediately. Easily define top and bottom rebars, stirrups, cover, and skin reinforcement. The application instantly computes concrete volume, steel weights per component, and overall steel density in kilograms per cubic meter, giving you immediate quantity estimates before generating your drawing. If this tool helps speed up your engineering workflow, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment with your thoughts or feature requests. To download the source code, AutoLISP routines, and support future development, consider joining our Patreon community via the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.